Once again, I welcome you all in my channel Mathematics Made Easy. Last time we discussed the applications of the multiple angles. Today, in continuation with those problems, let us go for some typical cases one by one. So to start with, the very first question before you please note down 1 plus cos pi by 8, 1 plus cos 3 pi by 8, 1 plus cos 5 pi by 8, 1 plus cos 7 pi by 8 is equal to 1 by 8. This we have to prove. See, note करो इसको पहले. I will put up the solution before you. It is 1 plus cos pi by 8 into 1 plus cos 3 pi by 8. Then I say 1 plus cos pi minus 3 pi by 8. You note down this step. 8 minus 3, 5 pi by 8. And then you have 1 plus cos pi minus pi by 8. On the left hand side, you simplify it this way. So it becomes 1 plus cos pi by 8 into 1 plus cos 3 pi by 8. Here it is 1 cos 180 minus theta is a minus, of course, 1 minus cos pi by 8. It is 1 minus cos 3 pi by 8. This is 3 pi by 8. 1 minus cos 3 pi by 8. It is 1 minus cos pi by 8. This much. And this is 1 minus cos square pi by 8. It is 1 minus cos square 3 pi by 8. Therefore, it becomes here like a sine square of pi by 8, sine square of pi by 8 here, sine square of 3 pi by 8. Check out. This is equal to, I say 1 by 4 into 2 sine square pi by 8 into 2 sine square 3 pi by 8. Therefore, because I want to apply here the formula that cos 2 theta is 1 minus 2 sine square theta. So it is 2 sine square pi by 8. It becomes 1 by 4, 1 minus cos 2 pi by 8, pi by 4. Here it is 1 minus cos 3 pi by 4. Check out. This is, cos 2 theta, 2 into 3 pi by 8, 3 pi by 4. This becomes equal to 1 by 4, 1 minus cos pi by 4 into 1 minus cos pi minus pi by 4. 3 pi by 4, I can evaluate like this. 1 minus cos pi by 4, 1 minus cos pi minus pi by 4. So this is equal to 1 by 4, 1 minus cos pi by 4 into 1 plus cos pi by 4. Check out. Cos 180 minus theta, that is again minus cos theta. So it is equal to, see, this is 1 by 4 sine square of pi by 4. A minus b, a plus b. Dekho. And this is equal to 1 by 4 into 1 by 2, 1 by 8. That we want on the right hand side of the sheet. Check out. Right hand side of the question itself. 1 plus cos 7 pi by 8. That is, we have to show that 1 plus cos pi by 8 and so is 1 by 8. So here the steps I have adopted, I have taken in this way that maximum application of the multiple angle is there of this very formula. And in the last step I have done 1 by 4, 1 minus cos pi by 4, 1 plus cos pi by 4. A minus B, A plus B. 1 minus cos square pi by 4. That is 1 by 4 sin square pi by 4. Sin 45, you know, 1 upon under root of 2. Square of that is 1 by 8 is the answer. 1 by 2 into 1 by 4 is 1 by 8. This is the first question, a very important question from the examination point of view. I mark it as very important. Now come to the second question. देखो solution for this. Note कर लो 2 sin square beta plus 4 cos alpha plus beta sin alpha sin beta plus 2 cos alpha plus beta is equal to cos 2 alpha. See, a very important, a bit typical question. Solution is left hand side 2 sin square beta plus 2 cos alpha plus beta into 2 sin alpha sin beta plus cos 2 alpha plus beta. देखो again a application of multiple angle. It is 2 sin square beta plus 2 cos alpha plus beta. Here you can apply 2 sin A sin B, 2 sin A sin B, cos A minus B, alpha minus beta minus cos alpha plus beta. Check out. And here it is cos 2A. It is, in this case, we have 2 cos of 2 alpha plus beta. Please verify this. Cos 2 alpha plus beta. This will go to, like we have 2 cos square alpha plus beta minus 1. Take it as cos 2 theta. 2 cos square theta minus 1. So it is 2 sin square beta plus 2 cos alpha plus beta cos alpha minus beta minus 2 cos square alpha plus beta. देखो 2 cos alpha plus beta cos alpha minus beta, it is a 2 cos square alpha plus beta plus 2 cos square alpha plus beta minus 1. Now, what is the position here? 2 cos square alpha plus beta will cancel out. And you have, it is a 2 sin square beta plus, see, 2 cos A cos B, 2 cos A cos B, or better you go for cos A plus B cos A minus B. 2 you can keep it outside. It is cos square alpha minus sin square beta. That is the A plus B formula. Because the demand of the question is that they should go. So I apply here 2 cos, 2 outside, cos A plus B cos A minus B. Cos square alpha minus sin square beta. It is a minus 1. Now open the brackets. It is 2 sin square of, देखो 2 sin square of beta plus 2 cos square alpha minus 2 sin square beta minus 1. So see here 2 sin square beta will go and we have just 2 cos square beta minus 1. 2 cos square alpha minus 1. Please correct it. 2 cos square alpha minus 1. Again the formula. You know, it becomes nothing but equal to cos 2 alpha. That is on the right hand side of the question. You please check up cos 2 alpha. The problem is not so simple, but the application is there in detail for a variety of formulas. Third question, prove that. देखो, the solution for this. The question is under root 3 cosecant 20. I say the left hand side, it is under root of 3. देखो, under root of 3, 1 upon sin 20 minus 1 upon cos 20. secant of 20 is like this. So it becomes equal to under root of 3 cos 20 minus sine 20, degrees of course, degrees, over sine 20 cos 20. See, there is a step involved in this. What to do here is, because the right hand side is something like 4. So what we do is, this is equal to 2 multiply with this 2, divide with the 2. Under root of 3 by 2 cos 20 minus half sine 20. This upon, we have sine 20 cos 20. देखो, now it is under root of 3 sine of this, under root of this to under root of 3 by 2, it is sine 30, sine of 60, that it is sine 60 cos 20 minus cos 60 sine 20, this upon, it is sine 20 cos 20. देखो, check out. See now, this is equal to, I put up here, it is 2, देखो, sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. It becomes the sine of 60 minus 20, 60 minus 20 upon sine 20 cos 20. Check out. Therefore it is, and this is just, we have 2 times sine 40 upon sine 20 cos 20. See, and this is equal to 2 into, therefore we have sine 2 theta. I say 2 sine 20 cos 20 upon sine 20 cos 20. Now this, because it is sine 40, that is sine 2 theta, 2 sine theta cos theta. ये हो गया 2 sine 20 cos 20, 2 sine 20 will go, this is just equal to 4, the right hand side. Check out this question. Again, I can say that a very important question. The problem is under root of 3 cosecant 20 minus secant 20 is 4. So what we do? Change into sine and cos. It is under root of 3. 1 upon sine 20 minus 1 upon cos 20. Take LCM. Under root of 3 cos 20 minus sine 20 upon this. So in the next step here, balance with the 2 in the numerator. Multiply and divide with the 2. Under root of 3 by 2 cos 20 minus half sine 20 upon this. So 2 is outside. This is 2 common. Sine 60 cos 20 cos 60 sine 20 upon this. It is sine A cos B cos A sine B. Sine 60 minus 20. Sine 40 is left. That is 2 sine theta cos theta. Sine 20 cos 20 will cancel out. You simply have 4 on the right hand side. Now take up this question number 4 here. The solution, देखो, it is something like a sine 5x minus 2 sine 3x plus sine x upon this. The main method or the rule for such questions, roughly we think of that we just group it. We say the left hand side, it is a sine 5x plus sine x, keep in the form of a group. Because we have 5 plus 1, 6. 6 upon 2 when we say is 3. That you just keep in mind. 2 sine 3x upon, it is cos 5x minus cos x. देखो, please see. Now apply here sine C plus sine D. 2 sine 3x cos 2x minus 2 sine, see, 2 sine 3x, देखो, upon, it is cos 5x minus cos x. It becomes here cos c minus cos d. It is 2 sine of 5, this is 3x, 2 sine of 3x, and then we have sine of minus here, you can keep it 1 minus 5, 4, 2x. देखो, ठीक है? Yes. Now it is equal to 2 sine 3x common inside cos 2x minus 1 upon minus 2 sine 3x into sine 2x. Now this 2 will go, sine 3x will go, also you balance minus here. So this is from here, please check out. It is 1 minus cos 2x upon sine 2x. This much is left. It is, 2 sine square x upon 2 sine x cos x. Now this again 2 will go, sine will go. The value is equal to tan x. So you must have noticed here that in this problem also we have the maximum application of multiple angle. Therefore, the main is that you must keep in mind how to group. 5x plus x, 6x upon 2, it is something like 3x. So we keep in mind that we group first and third, second as it is. In the denominator there is no problem. Apply CD formula, here also CD formula, and simplify. Now the next question, question number 5 is there, a very important case, but a bit harder case. The question is, note karo pehle, 0 less than x less than 2 pi. Find the value of sin x by 2, cos x by 2, tangent x by 2. Note down this. When tangent x is minus 4 by 3, it is given, and x lies in the second quadrant. It should be noted. X lies in the second quadrant. When we say that tan x is minus 4 by 3. Also, I am to evaluate x by 2 for sin x by 2, cos x by 2, tangent x by 2. This is the question. Here you can have even cos x, you can have sin x, whatever it is. But the method will be as I discussed now before you. See, we have, see here, that is x lies in the second quadrant. Please note, x lies in the second quadrant. Second quadrant means pi by 2 to pi. Pi by 2 less than x less than pi. This is the solution I am giving. Pi by 2 less than x less than pi. But I want a x by 2. So I say this implies pi by 4 less than x by 2 less than pi by 2. That is, you want x by 2. And this is nothing but the first quadrant. I say first quadrant. So in the first quadrant, by sign conventions, it is sin x by 2, cos x by 2, tangent x by 2 are positive. Also, see what is given to us. We have in this case, tan x is minus 4 by 3 and x lies in the second quadrant. It is the second quadrant. Please see. In the second quadrant, tan x is negative, of course. So it is 0. In this case, we have minus 3 here, 4. Because OM is negative, MP is positive. Using the Pythagoras, it is 5. 16 plus 9, 25, 5. That means you have the value for now cos x, also the value for sin x, whatever is required. I want here, now see, the value for sin x by 2. The formula is cos x is 2 cos square x by 2 minus 1. That means we have 1 plus cos x or 1 minus cos x in this way. It is positive, of course. So just when you put up the value, we get here 1, देखो, cos x. Cos x is given as how much? Minus 3 by 5. It becomes plus 3 by 5 upon 2. And when you have cos x by 2, it is under root of 1 minus 3 by 5 upon 2. So इसको सिंप्लीफाई कर लो. 5 plus 3 8, 8 upon 5, 2 under root of 2 upon 5 into 2. Here it is 5 minus 3, that is under root of 2 upon under root of 5 into 2. देखो जो भी आ रहा है बस इसमें 2 कैंसिल करो. Similarly here it can be 1 upon under root 5, जो भी आ रहा है under root 2, like this. Whatever it is, you can simplify and put up the value. The procedure here is, that is the main thing to be noted, that whenever we deal with such questions, we must first of all clarify in which quadrant sin x by 2, cos x by 2, tangent x by 2 are positive. Okay? And whenever it is there, try to adjust it, accordingly draw the figure and evaluate using the multiple angle formula. Yes, another a very important question before us. X cos theta is equal to y cos theta plus 2 pi by 3 is equal to z cos theta plus 4 pi by 3. Find the value of xy plus yz plus zx. See the solution for this, what I do is, let x cos theta is equal to y cos theta plus 2 pi by 3 is equal to z cos theta plus 4 pi by 3, each is equal to k. Suppose, therefore we have x is equal to k upon cos theta, y is equal to k upon cos theta plus 2 pi by 3, and z is equal to k upon cos theta plus 4 pi by 3. Find the values of x, y, z, or take the reciprocals, or we say 1 upon x is equal to cos theta upon k, 1 upon y is equal to cos theta plus 2 pi by 3 upon k, 1 upon z is equal to cos theta plus 4 pi by 3 upon k. Now see, your problem is to evaluate xy plus yz, xy plus yz plus zx. देखो, but the question says evaluate xy plus yz plus zx. This can be written as xyz. You note the step. It is 1 upon x plus 1 upon y plus 1 upon z. That is, divide the numerator and denominator here with xyz and keep xyz outside, also k outside. Inside it is cos theta plus 2 pi by 3 plus cos theta plus 4 pi by 3. Write in this way. And now by grouping these two terms, apply CD formula. xyz upon k into cos theta plus, it is now 2 cos, देखो, theta plus 2 pi by 3 plus theta plus 4 pi by 3 upon 2. CD formula. Cos theta plus 2 pi by 3 minus theta minus 4 pi by 3 upon 2. देखो, like this. Apply I say again CD formula. It is xyz upon k into, it is cos theta plus, देखो, it is 2 cos 2 theta by 2, theta cos theta, then we have 2 plus 4, 6, 6 that is pi, cos, yes, this theta will cancel out. It is, in this case we have 2 pi minus 4 pi, minus 2 pi by how much? 3, here it is 2, that is minus pi by 3. Cos minus is cos, cos pi by 3. देखो, and you know it is equal to xyz upon k into cos theta, then we have minus here 2 cos 180 plus theta minus cos theta into half. This will cancel out, cos will go, the value is 0. Therefore, he says find the value of this, the value of xy plus yz plus zx is equal to 0. Now with these cases, I am able to discuss with you a few problems on multiple angles as far as possible, but typical one. Still we have a variety of questions on this. In the next lecture, we shall try to cover up those. But again I say that if you find any difficulty, please, you must put up your questions on the comment box. There I shall be dealing with you in the coming lectures. Thank you.